had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away.
Oh my god, my loves, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys like the aesthetic change. Yes, I did a few changes. I took off my pink thingy and I added some rose gold and pink accents to my background. How y'all like it? Let me know. Today I want to come on here and show you guys all the new arrivals, and I want to let you guys know that this Friday, I think it's June 15. I don't have my phone close by and I just don't feel like getting up, but this Friday, the Friday after I post this video, I will be having my first sale on my website, and I wanted to come on here and show you guys everything that will be available, all the new arrivals that will be on the website, just so you guys are not blindsided, because I know you guys like to curse me out and tell me how I never told y'all that this was gonna happen. So I've decided, let me come on here and show you guys every single thing that's new, that way that you guys know it's already on the website, but I would recommend that you wait until Friday. So anyways, let's get into the positive quote for today. So here we go with our positive quote cards, and I'm just going to jump into one of them and we're going to read what it says. Oh, okay, here we go. Alright, so this is the one that's chosen. It says, everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear. Oh my god, this is for all my people out there who are scared to start something. Everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear. So you better get rid of that fear, baby, and start doing what you want to do. So let's read the back. It says, do something that scares you today. It doesn't have to be big, but it should push you out of your comfort zone. Celebrate your courage, and next time take an even bigger leap. I hope this quote did something for you guys today. All right, so let's jump right into all the new arrivals. So the first thing, this is not a new arrival, but I do want to show it back again, let you guys know that the Baddies in the Bag coloring book is gonna be on sale this Friday. So if you didn't get a chance to grab it, then maybe you should. The sale is gonna be like a certain percentage off your entire order, so that's kind of what it's gonna be. And also, I'm also doing another thing where if you spend $60 or over, you get a free item with your order. So I don't know if you guys could hear that sound in my voice, but I've been sick for the few days. Yes, I had the flu. There's such a bad flu going around, and it kind of got caught up on me. But the first binder I want to show you guys this new is the Burn Book. And if you guys know this font and know what's going on right here, if you know, you know. This is from Mean Girls, and I have made a binder based off of Mean Girls. It's called the Burn Book, and let me show you guys what's inside. It's an A5 binder, so it's big and spacious. This is how the challenge is gonna work. One envelope has 4 parts. Each of the 4 parts is $20, so you're going to try to save all these 20s. I think it's 15 pages worth of 20s, which is 15 times 4 is 60. So you're going to try to save 60 20s. It can be a little low income because it's not that bad. I mean, if you want to do it once a month, you can. However many times you can do it, you do it on your own pace. But this is a $1,200 savings book, and it's save $1,200, and it's called the Burn Book. It's already available on the site, but look out for the sale if you want to grab it this Friday. Okay, next we have some new saving challenges. This one is the Live Love Laugh Piece bundle. Is 4 pieces, and each of them have their own little, I could open it up. Each of them have their own little stuff on the front. So as y'all can see, this one has laugh, and it's a lot of emojis. It's a lot of stuff to do with peace, you know, the peace sign, yada yada yada. This one is love, a whole bunch of hearts, and this one is live, a whole bunch of plans, you know. So with the Live Love Laugh saving bundle, you save $780. So it's also a little low income as well, so you guys can get into it, especially if you're just starting out. You want to try something that's not too much. So we have the Live Love Laugh, we have the Hello Kitty Scratch and Save, And with the Hello Kitty Scratch and Save bundle, you will be saving a total of $685. So it's also low income. I tried my best to cater for my low income people, beginners, etc. A bunch of mini saving challenges. So first we have Beware of the Plastic saving challenge. I think it's 4 pieces in this one. With the Beware of Plastics, you are saving, I'm looking on my phone what I'm telling y'all, $1,430 with this one. It's a 4-piece saving challenge. We have, I'm gonna skip this one for YouTube purposes, but it should be up there. So we have teller slips. These are for when you're going to the bank. You want to have your denominations ready, the quantity, and the total amount that you're going to ask for when you go to the bank. So this also is a good thing to have. The teller slips are there. So I call this one my super low income saving challenge, because as y'all can see, it's super low, but it's still fun. And on this challenge, you will be saving $285. So this is really low income for real beginners. So you guys, definitely, I've tried my best to cater for my lower income people this trip. Everyone gets a chance to save. This is the mini rainbow saving challenge. And with the rainbow saving challenge, you will end up saving $875 after this challenge is completed. These are the little mini ones. They are not A5, not A6, just little mini cute saving challenges that you guys can do. The bingo saving challenge. And with the bingo challenge, guys, we are going to save $2,220 with the bingo challenge. So if you guys are interested in saving a little bit more money, or you're a little bit more not really low income, then the bingo challenge would be great for you. With this challenge, there are different amounts in this area for you to save, so you will get to see that when you purchase it. But there's also an instruction on there that tells you to pick an amount to check off each day, and once all boxes have been checked off, bingo, you just saved whatever amount is on that card. So yeah, the bingo. And the one that I love the most, I'm so sorry, but I don't have one, the exact one that's on the website, I don't have, because I've sold them. So I didn't get a chance to reprint them, but it is my favorite, and it is the Roll the Dice saving challenge. And a lot of people asking, does it come with the dice? Of course. Like, why would I sell a Roll the Dice saving challenge without the dice? So it definitely comes with the dice. This is mine. Normally it's white. On the website it's white and pink, but for me, I made it pink to match my theme, so that's why it's pink. But it's the Roll the Dice saving challenge. Well, and I also have the Roll to Save savings binder. I don't have one right now because I sold it and I didn't get to make another one before I made this video. So yeah, as you can see here, each side of the dice has a certain dollar amount. Y'all see? So the one that has a $5, the 2 have a 10, the 3 have a 10, the 4 have a 15, the 5 have a 20, and the 6 have a 20. So at the end of the Roll the Dice challenge, you will be saving $3,360 is what you'll be saving at the end of the Roll the Dice saving challenge. So how does it work? A lot of people have been asking. It's simple, guys. All you have to do is roll the dice. Whatever numbers come up on the dice is what you're gonna save. So here we have a 5 and a 2. Guess what we're gonna do? You're gonna look at your instruction card, and it says a 5 is a $20 and a 2 is a 10. So in total, we're saving $30 from the Roll the Dice. So that's basically how it is. It does come with the dice, and then the Roll to Save comes with the instructions, the dice, and a binder. So that's the only difference between the Roll the Dice and the Roll to Save. Next up, I have a kids saving challenge binder. I have been wanting to do one for the kids, but as y'all see, I kind of did it where it doesn't matter if it's a boy or a girl. It's the Coco Melon Kids Saving Challenge mini binder. And when you open it up, you have the little challenges in there. See? Oh my god, guys, I'm like so in love with this thing. I think this is the cutest thing ever. So the CoComelon Kids Saving Challenge binder is available on the website. The next new binder I have is the Barbie Saving Challenge. And the Barbie Saving Challenge binder is a mini saving challenge binder, and it's super cute. Like, come on now, be for real. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. And these are the challenges. And with the Barbie Saving Challenge, at the end of the challenges, you will be able to save $975 at the end of this little mini binder. So it is a great start. It is definitely a great start. And the last but not least new item added to the website is we have the monthly budget book. And it's just a monthly budget book. And the fun part about it is it comes with a pen, a cute pen. So we do have the monthly budget book. It's a mini size, and it comes with this little rose gold cute fluffy crown. Isn't this cute? OMG. But these are also new on the website as well. So other than all the new stuff on the website, all the old stuff is still there, still available. And I wanted to also add that I made a few changes to the binder. When you're purchasing a binder now, you will get the option to choose either a zippered plastic envelope or the laminate envelopes. It's gonna be your choice now. Every single item is now in stock. Everything is restocked. So the website is fully restocked. All items are there and available to you guys. So this Friday, I will be having a sale. It's a certain percentage off of your entire order. And also, if your entire order's total is over $60, then you also receive a free gift. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm excited for y'all, to be honest. Like, and did y'all see my little makeover that I did to my website? Oh my god, I spent one whole day and I did a whole makeover to my website. Do y'all like it? And I also redid my desk. So look out for the sale, guys, coming up this Friday. Get prepared, be prepared to make your purchase. Get ready, baby, because things have a way of being sold out so fast. So if you have your eyes on something and you want to get something, please, I'm begging you to be ready. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, I love all of you guys, and I will see you in the next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count.